What is up, guys? Brandon Urban Boys here today, and we're actually getting ready to go on a camping trip to Lake Cushman for a couple days, and I thought I'll do a vlog for the 2 days that we're staying. Yeah, I actually just woke up right now, and we're getting ready to leave, so I gotta go pack up and eat. So, yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna try and get some good footage for you guys, and yeah, see you guys in a moment. Alright guys, actually there's a change in plans. We're going to be going to Potlatch State Park instead of Lake Cushman because I guess the weather's better over in Potlatch. So yeah, we're going to get some footage there. Alright guys, I'm all ready now. So are my brothers. We're probably going to leave in like the next hour or so. And yeah, I'm going to go show you guys this lizard we caught yesterday. His name is Skep. Some of you guys may get that reference. If not, it's alright. I'm not going to tell you what it is because you might think we're nerds. So here he is. Name is Skip. Looks like he's sleeping. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try and take him out. Oh, geez. Oh, looks like he's not tired anymore. Yeah, he splashed me with a whole bunch of water, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, that's a leap of death. Okay, guys, doesn't look like he wants to come out, I guess. So, put that back. There you go. Oh! Evan, grab him. Yeah, that's a good boy. Or girl. Yeah, we just caught this guy yesterday. We were like strolling along the side of the ocean, and we just saw him like sitting on a rock. So I just grabbed him, brought him home. We're gonna keep him for a bit, and then we're gonna release him. Want to say hi to the camera, bro? So, all right. That's about it for now. I'll get some more footage when we're driving down the road and I see something cool, but that's about it. So, yep, stay tuned. See you guys in a second. Alright guys, it's been about an hour now, and we're just about ready to go. We just gotta pack up the food now. So yeah, I'm gonna bring this out to the truck. Alright, I can't open this with one hand. Actually, maybe I can. Oh, like a god. Oh, yeah. Stuff it in there.
Here, dude, you're lame. Let me see that. Let me see that, friend.
It tastes horrible.
Evan's got it. We know Evan,
no, drink it.
Evan's the man. No, Evan's a pro. He doesn't need it from there.
Good. Look at us, Evan.
Evan, you just ruined the counter.
Oh, God. Crap. What do we do? Is my face red? Just a little bit.
You ruined my jacket, bro. Soaked.
Red. Except for this. Don't even know what that is. Well, ooh, I got a sneeze now. Now it's red.
Achoo! Look!
I'll put some in there.
Oh, y'all look into the light. Nice. It came out red. Oh yeah, beef jerky is the stuff, guys.
Oh, can I have one?
Maybe.
Can you toss me one?
Maybe. Oh, that's a big piece. Alright, I'll put the bikes up now. We're moving, guys. Already tired?
car for like 20 seconds.
Alright, this is cool, right? This is really cool. Yeah, you don't get to see this every day. Just kidding. Maybe you don't get to see those every day, actually. That was really cool. Oh, a dump truck. Oh, another dump truck. Dang. Oh, a guy holding a slow sign. That is so awesome. Good job, dude. Keep up the work. Yeah. Alright, guys. 1 mile into the road trip, and guess what? We already ran out of transmission fluid. So we had to pull over. Hopefully we have some.
Found it.
Alright guys, so we just showed up to this store, this mini mart, hoping that they have transmission fluid in there. And if they don't, we're kind of screwed. Windows broken, Brandon?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got an idea.
He's got an idea, guys. Oh. Your idea doesn't work.
No, it's gonna work.
Brandon! Oh my god, I swear you're about to break it.
It worked.
What's he doing?
Try to open all water. That's not working.
Scrub. Oh, there you go. Look at that dog over there. Look at this dude. Wait, that's a girl. Never mind. My bad. Yeah, guys, we got some transmission fluid. What's he gonna do with it? Alright, we got transmission fluid. It's good. Oh yeah, more construction. It's the best we've got so far. Motorcycles. Use caution.
No. What are we doing?
Now we get to wait. Yes. Alright guys, we've already shown up. It's actually called Twanoh State Park, not Potlatch.
No, Potlatch is still down there.
Yeah, I guess this is the place we were at last year. Got the beach way over there.
Socks? Where's your socks?
And yeah, we're just gonna, I don't know. Gotta find something to do. And put on my shoes. I was just attacked by a bee. Hope it doesn't come back.
Oh my gosh, is this going to be a documentary the whole time?
Yes, it's a documentary. Every single thing. I'm gonna even mention when I step on grass. So now we're unloading the bikes. And oh my god, there it is again. Hey, back off, dude. Hey! I'm gonna grab my helmet while he does that. And I'm gonna go to the bathroom because I need to go really bad. I'll use this to save the paint. I'm gonna get my mount. Alright, so I'll be back in a second, guys. Let me find my mount. Alright, got it mounted on there. And I gotta go to the bathroom. So, yeah, it might move a little bit. Gonna ride. Ooh, what was that? Hope this isn't too bumpy for you guys. Oh, that's gotta be one right there. found my brother. Can park right there. Are you kidding me? It says seasonal bathroom closure. Let's see if I can get this. I'm gonna lift up my bike. That's probably the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Told me to go pee in the wilderness. Nobody will see me behind this tree, right? Sure hope nobody saw that. Hey, time to find my brothers. Do. Alright, we made it back from the bathroom safely, guys. Next to this creek. See if I can get it. Alright, made it. Ooh, that was good. Think we can make it over here now?
Yeah, I did.
Ooh. Alright. Think we can make it onto that rock?
What?
Yeah, I know I can, but I'm not gonna try. Looks like I'm ditching my bike, guys. We're gonna head down to the ocean now. Should probably take off my helmet. Yeah, I'm gonna hang on your bike. Parkour. Oh. Hey, there's Evan. Way over in the distance.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go catch him. He doesn't see us though.
Let me guess, you lost your helmet?
Scrub.
Where'd you put it?
Alright guys, so we're on a hunt for Evan's lost helmet right now. I guess he doesn't know where it is. Mr. Redface still. Face is still red from all that Kool-Aid. Looks like those motorcyclists are coming back. Let's see him. Look at them go! Yeah, dude. That guy tried to pop a wheelie on me. They got the squad set up. That's pretty sick. it says no bicycles. Guess what? I'm sorry. Don't really see me. Yeah, I'm not going down that though. No,
You realize there's a sign that said no.
I know. There's something fun to go down to. Might as well do it. Some air. Oh yeah, let's get it, Brandon. Nice. You got air on that one, that's for sure. Alright guys, so it's a challenge. We're going to try and ride all the way down this thing without falling off. So why not? Okay, looks like Brand's coming to the back. Oh! 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 Oh my! I was so close. Oh, Brandon, you got it. Oh! Now it's up to me. Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Alright, I made it. I made it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Alright, this is my last. Alright, well, that was a semi-fun challenge, I guess. Brandon is a cheater. My bike just has fat tires, so you know, I fall off easier. That's my excuse. Guys, my dad just got us some Chesits, and we're gonna go find this tree so we can wall run. See how high we can get. See how we're gonna dig in. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, the gloriful tree of wall run. Go.
Ow! Oh, it's slick.
It's slick.
Kind of.
Let me try. Dude. Totally just wasted that.
Not really.
Oh my God, dude.
There's still lots in there.
Well, alright guys, we left that other campsite, twanoh, so now we're moving on to Potlatch and Lake Cushman.
You're so fat
Hey, so yeah, we'll be there in like 20 minutes. Alright guys, so we just made it to Lake Cushman. Pretty nice. And yeah, it is a bit colder up here, so I had to change into jeans. And I think it's almost 5 o'clock now. And my brothers are going crazy already. So, hop over this log. Yeah, we're gonna get even better footage here, so. I see you guys.
Oh my God!
Yeah, scrubs. Brandon almost committed suicide jumping down this, probably. You think I'll die doing this, Brandon?
Here, talk to your camera.
Okay. Woo! Okay.
Let's see him die. We got it on camera! I thought we we're gonna get you dying on.
Hope you do. Well, I completely missed.
Shut up.
Okay, guys, this is our way up right here.
Don't stop.
These roots.
Oh my gosh, dude. Awesome.
Someone trying to mount the camera somehow up there. There's a good place right there.
Alright guys, upper body strength. Oh god, not gonna work. Alright,
Looks like Evan's got the idea.
hey, my turn, I guess?
Okay, made it up. Much easier than any of you guys. Start heading back, guys. Oh hey, this is the trails that we take with the bike. Oh Deuce. Oh my god. It's a rope swing. I mean, I'm not gonna try that, but you guys can if you want.
Are you supposed to jump for that?
Yeah, dude. Gotta jump from this stump, and it's gotta be like...
Try my safety on how to do it.
How in the world did that guy even get that rope up there?
I know. Maybe that people
I don't think so.
let's go. Is that help?
Alright guys, look what we managed to find. We found like a, I don't know what these are called, but it's a pretty solid line with a thing on the ends. And we're gonna try and rock climb our way down this little hill right here and see if it works. So Brand's gonna tie it around his waist, and I hope he doesn't die.
I will.
Brand, right here, just grab onto the rope and kind of just go down.
You can also like lean back. Oh, why doesn't somebody hold the rope all the way? Alright, that's fine. Yeah, and also release it. I don't even trust him. Just go.
Brand, you're fine. You're connected to this freaking log.
Yeah, don't not trust me. If anything, don't trust the log. You can lean back now. I'll be able to hold you. No, you can't! I just leaned back and almost fell, you dummy! Yeah, because it's tying around this. Alright, now do it. Yes. Kind of. Dude! Seriously!
Brand,
Dude,
you're
lean
fine.
back. I'm laying I've almost fell back like 5 times now. I'm obviously gonna fall and die.
No, you're not.
Tighten it. Alright, I'll tighten it for you. There you go. Now go down. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Release a little bit.
Yo, it's kind of working.
You don't have to hold on to that. Just hold on to the rope and go down.
Yeah. Hold on to the rope, Brand. Trust the rope.
I don't trust the rope at all.
Dude, it's freaking metal with silicone covered. Silicone covered metal.
Yeah, you probably can't go down it. Actually, you can't. Never mind. Sorry. I'm lying to you. Go. My back hurts. Oh, sorry. You made it! And it's just enough! Look!
Now
look.
y'all pull you back up.
Dude, look at this. It's just enough.
Ooh.
Oranges are originally supposed
Alright.
to be eaten. Or
Alright,
what
guys.
were they actually for?
I already started peeling it, but this is a sumo orange. It's huge. It is huge. Here's all the peelings and stuff.
Look at that. It's so weird.
This is probably like, I don't know, this is the biggest orange I've ever seen. I don't know if it's the biggest in the world, but. Oh. Yeah. You want to take a chunk, Brand?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Brandon, God.
Dude, this thing's huge. Is it good?
Mm.
Oh.
That's got some good flavor. Here, alright.
Thank you.
No problem. What do you think, Evan?
You guys like the sumo orange?
Well, a little bit on the juicy side, but to me it's pretty tender and... Wait. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Sweet. What do you think, Brad?
You're correct. It's good, dude. It's fat and good.
Yeah, fat is always good. Let's go on this bike ride now. Right. Gotta throw away the orange peels. And some chips and salsa, so. 1 second. Alright guys, so we gotta get this orange peel thrown away, so go throw it away. Alright, let's check in the bathroom. Just wait for that. Sure there's a garbage can inside. Alright. Let's go to the main office place. Alright. Oh crap. Wow. Actually, I was gonna get something there. Alright, so it's getting pretty late at night, guys, so we're gonna start our fire off. See how well we can start with these scraps. So I'm gonna try with these little twigs right here and this piece of cardboard. Okay. Hope I don't spill these matches everywhere. Oh my god.
Here, split the fire. You gotta restart that, dude.
Yeah.
You can't. What are you doing, Evan?
He's lighting the candles.
You want to get your flame burning from the bottom up?
I just did this, Derek.
Okay. Okay, guys, okay, these things over. No, don't do that, Brandon. We need the sticks. Sticks.
Here's the best stick you can use right there. Shove that sucker in the ground. And
For extra heat, we need
Derek, you totally ruined those. Take those out. What did you do, Derek?
Oh yeah, we're going, guys.
You guys suck.
Derek, you're so bad at it. Give me the matches before you use them all.
No, we
You
don't
guys like laid it all out flat. What is wrong with you guys?
Oh yeah, guys. See how good we are at making fires?
Might as well just get something bigger going.
Hold on,
Let me help
Daddy.
you guys.
Ouch, that's hot actually.
Derek's fire is obviously going to be hot.
No, it isn't. Ouch.
I'm starting a candle. Daddy, our fire is hot.
Gee, Daddy.
It's hot. I couldn't. God, that thing choked me up.
I'm not gonna be able to get that back.
There we are. Just get a stick.
It's gone, Robin.
Guys, I'm burning it from all sides. It's not.
Okay, guys, start ripping up that pizza box now.
Hey, look, dog. Hey, buddy.
Hey, dog. What's up, bro? You like the fire?
Hey, bud. You look like a nice doggy.
Yeah. Okay. You don't want me to touch you? It's fine. Ouch.
I think he
Hot.
likes flames.
I think he does. I think
He's
he's
attracted to the flames.
a daredevil.
Loves it.
It's that dude. Guys,
Oh, look at him.
give us a like for that. That deserves a like. Go ahead, click off full screen right now. Go down. I want you to click the like button because I heard it makes it makes a new sound, like the new update for YouTube. It creates a sound when you hit the like button now. So you should really just test it out while giving us a like for setting up that fire so well.
I mean, look at the sparks
I'll
coming in
appreciate
here.
that.
That's how you know that's a good fire. Like,
Yeah.
look at those sparks, dude.
Alright guys, so we still got the fire going, and we're roasting the marshmallows, making s'mores now. But we don't have graham crackers, so we're just using the chocolate as
No, here's it right here.
a graham cracker. But they're stale. Well, there's crumbs. So yeah, just using chocolate. That's what we're up to now. What's going on over there, Bran?
Smoke.
Okay. Do it again. Dude, stop choking. Stop choking on nothing.
Grenade. Give me no space. Throw it. No, I can't let go. It's my loved one. Oh my god, it's dying down. I'll save you. Ow! Your bonfire popped up.
Ooh. Yeah, I thought it'd be cooler. Whatever.
Go one more.
We got another. Shove it in there.
Okay,
Oh my god, that was sick. Dang, that was so many sparks.
Ah.
Okay, I guess it's bright, guys. Let me just mount you onto my bike and go for a nighttime bike ride. Alright, Leroy. Let's ride. Yeah, let's go that way, actually. Yeah. Let's go. Turning like the hill. Oh! Oh my god! I said giant freaking speed thinger.
Daner.
Yeah. Okay, turning around now. It's not safe off the road. Alright guys, that was pretty sick. But it's really cold out here, so I'm gonna get some rest now.
Yeah.
See you guys in the morning. Peace out.
Train.
Okay. So we got Evan who wants to jump to his death. Don't know why, but I guess it looks interesting. I'd like to see him try. So Evan, why don't you show us how it's done to jump to your death?
Oh, so first of all, you gotta go head first into the biggest rock,
Okay.
and hopefully, die.
Alright.
So. You actually did it, dude. I'm surprised.
Me too. Now have fun getting back up. So guys, I actually just hit Evan in the head with a stick and he just actually died, I think. He's just dead.
Dude, he like slid down the whole entire thing.
He was climbing up that contraption over there and I threw a stick and it hit him in the head and he just fell and he died. You okay, Evan?
Should I do some on a rescue mission?
Yeah, jump down there and go save him.
Does it hurt, Evan?
Evan!
Mind taking everything in my pockets? Evan.
Give him CPR, check his pulse.
I think I twisted my ankle.
Well, frick. Oh my, well, I guess they're both dead now. Okay, never mind, Brand's not dead. Alright guys, it's finally time for the vlog to end because we're leaving. We only stayed for one night, but it was still fun, and we got some good. We had a lot of fun. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, Lake Cushman. Bye, grocery store we've only been to once. Bye, big damn thing. Bye, potlatch. Bye, twanoh. Okay, guys, so we just stopped for a good reason, but we also just picked up some crickets for Skip for him to eat so he doesn't starve to death. And then, you know, when you're on your trip, you can't go on a trip without something bad happening. So, yeah, our bike rack, one of the bolts broke down here, just where this is at. It just snapped off and the whole bike rack fell. And we've been dragging these bikes for miles, and we have half a handle gone, and we got half of the pedal is gone.
Look at the spokes.
And Brian's spokes are just shot. Yeah.
Yeah, Brian's not too happy
nice
about that.
I don't know why nobody warned us for that long. We were dragging them for miles, and somebody just decided to warn us. Also, forgot to mention the peg that just ripped right off. Alright, guys, we just got back home, and we're gonna feed Skep his crickets now. I hope they're not too big for him.
Don't get the lid.
And guess what? We found when we got home, we couldn't find him, and we just found him buried in this sand, like this bark over here.
Alright, pour it in.
I thought we lost him for a second. It's pretty
So they
creepy.
don't jump out. They won't jump out.
Alright, here goes. Pouring the crickets in. 17.
Put it on, Brian.
Alright, go ahead and eat him, Skep, whenever you're ready.
Oh, there's
You're
some
just
on him.
You're just gonna let him crawl over you, huh?
Alright, he should be fat.
Alright. Anyways, that about wraps it up for the vlog, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and Brady, if you're watching this, you totally missed out. You should have came along. Yeah. See you guys later. Peace.